In the age of artificial intelligence, wars will never be fought the same again. Today, we're diving deep into the top most advanced AI weapons in the world, machines so smart they can decide, target, and strike without human intervention. AI drones! Loyal Wingman AI drones, these aren't your regular flying machines. Developed by Boeing, these drones fly alongside manned fighter jets. But here's the scary part: they think for themselves. Using advanced AI, they analyze threats in real time, execute complex maneuvers, and even decide which targets to attack to protect their human pilots. AI-powered missiles. Next, let's talk about the Sea Hunter. Developed by DARPA, this AI-powered naval vessel can autonomously hunt submarines for months without any crew on board. With AI decision-making, it tracks enemy subs across oceans, learns from their movements, and adjusts its strategies all on its own. Then there's the Joint Air-to-Surface Standoff Missile. These smart missiles use AI to navigate complex terrains. It's like giving a missile a brain, and it never gets tired, emotional, or distracted. By the way, I have a challenge for you. If you're watching this on your phone, hit subscribe with your thumb. If you're watching on your computer, hit subscribe with your pinky finger. Let's see who's got the skills. AI robotic soldiers. Now, let's meet the AI soldiers. Boston Dynamics has developed humanoid robots that can run, jump, and even perform combat-like maneuvers. But when combined with AI targeting and battlefield data analysis, they could soon become the soldiers of the future. But with great power comes great responsibility or great risk. AI weapons raise serious ethical questions. What happens if these machines make mistakes? Who is accountable? The United Nations is already debating strict regulations on autonomous weapons to prevent an AI arms race. If you want to stay ahead of these mind-blowing innovations, make sure to subscribe to our channel.